How to change email on Skip the Dishes. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change your email on Skip the Dishes. So how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your Skip the Dishes account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you would see various kind of foods or things that you can get on this page. And then by the lower part of the screen, you can see 4 icons: the home icon, the search icon, the others icon, and then the rewards icon. Then the next step is move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the profiles page. On this page, you'll see your profile name, your number, your credits, your email, and then by the time you scroll down, you'll see other options as well. So as you can see all of this, next step is move to the top right corner again and click on your settings icon. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the account settings page. On this page, you see options like edit account, notification settings, set password, save addresses, etc. Just go ahead and click on edit account, and then you'll be brought to this page. On this page, you'll see your full name, your phone number, and then email. So to change your email, just click on the email this way. Alright, okay, this is for account, it's for phone number. Then you can see that the email is not working. That is because you cannot change your email directly on the application. Alright, to change your email, you'd have to reach out to the customer service, and that can you do that by going back to your profiles page and then by clicking on the help or need help section. Then on this page, click on need something else, click on contact support, and then the message, type out your question, which is you want to change your email. Then click on start chat, and from there you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how you can change your email on Skip the Dishes. Thank you and have a nice day.